In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the most gracious, the most merciful, Master of the Day of Judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked anger or of those who are astray. Ameen. This beautiful passage is Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening, the first chapter of the Holy Qur'an, the path to finality, the path to kun pala, the path to contemplation, the path to apyening, the first chapter of the Holy Qur'an. It is a profound and essential prayer recited in every unit of the Muslim prayer, Salah, embodying the essence of worship, guidance and submission to Allah. Great. Let's explore a tafsir, exegesis of Surah Al-Fatiha, verse by verse, drawing from classical Islamic scholarship like Ibn Kathir, Al-Tabari and Al-Qurtubi, and presenting it in a clear, modern explanation. In the name of Allah, the one whose mercy is vast and whose compassion is eternal. This phrase teaches us to begin everything by remembering Him, and to recognize that His mercy surrounds every moment and every action in our lives. All praise belongs to Allah, who is the Creator, the Sustainer, and the caretaker of everything that exists. He is the one who gives life and provides for all beings, and He deserves gratitude, love, and recognition from all creation. He is entirely merciful to every part of His creation. His mercy reaches the believer and the disbeliever, the human and the animal, the weak and the strong, and His compassion is without limit or condition. He is also especially merciful to those who believe in Him, follow His guidance and strive to do good for them. His mercy is continuous, deep and close. It is a mercy that brings peace in this life and reward in the next. He is the master and owner of the day when everyone will be held accountable for their deeds. He will judge all people with perfect justice, and no one will be wronged on that day of truth and final return. It is you alone we worship and serve with full devotion, sincerity and humility. And it is you alone we seek for help, guidance, strength and support in all matters, because only you have power over all things. Guide us to the straight path, the path that is clear, balanced, and leads directly to your pleasure, and paradise, the way that brings peace in this world and success in the hereafter, the path of those whom you have blessed with faith, knowledge, truth, and righteousness, those who followed the light and remained firm on it through your grace and favor. Not the path of those who knew the truth but chose to turn away from it, who earned your anger because of their rejection, arrogance and stubbornness, nor the path of those who were misguided, who followed falsehood out of ignorance or confusion, and were led astray from the light and clarity of your guidance.